Hi, Paul back again with another video about radio control helicopter flying. Now this one is going to focus entirely on a flight simulator. Now the first thing you should buy an RC Heli flying hobby is not a helicopter. This is not how you start. You start with a simple simulator. Now this is the Phoenix RC simulator, excuse me. And you could get them used for about 130 bucks. I think that comes with a transmitter possibly, or not. In any case, you can get it with a transmitter, without. This is just a little Fly Sky transmitter. Didn't cost very much. I have the box over here, so you can see there. Fly Sky FS I6. I think it was like 45 bucks. Super cheap. Adapter, and then we're off to the races. So this is actually an Align T-Rex 550E that's in the program built in. I believe it's default. It comes with the Phoenix. It's a Phoenix model. It's not a user model that was created. I'm getting some stick time in the transmitter. I'm getting some stick time on the transmitter in this flight simulator before I go out and fly my beautiful Dominator 550L, because I do not want to crash it. When you crash on a simulator, I'll show you, head it to the ground, 2 seconds, it's back again. You're not going to do that with your RC, so you really get to practice, work out the details, find out what it's capable of, what you're capable of, and not put your actual bird at risk. Now I just put it in stunt mode by hitting the 3 key. That allows me to go 3D. And it can be disorienting on these sims. You just kind of have to get used to it. Same thing in real life, flying the helicopter. Well, I just skimmed the ground there. Of course, I'm looking at it at an angle, so I can't really see the screen as well as the camera can. But in any case, stick time in the simulator is what you want to do. I'm just going to let that shut off. So to show you what I have here, Phoenix RC. This is the 5.5. Now any version will work just fine, because with Phoenix, all of the updates are free. So if you find a version 1, 2, 3, 3.5, doesn't matter. Go ahead and buy it without fear, because you'll be able to go online and update it all the way to the latest version if you want, or not update it. It doesn't matter. It'll work either way. The primary thing you need is the dongle. Now I bought my Phoenix RC simulator in a package. It came with a little cheap transmitter. I lost it a long time ago. I also lost the dongle. I found this on eBay for a few dollars. I don't remember who I bought it from or what its brand was. It's just a Chinese no brand name. But I think I paid $5 to $10 for it. It works perfectly fine. Your mileage will vary. Try it out. You know, if you're trying to get a sim inexpensively, this is one way you could do it. A cheap transmitter, an old transmitter you have laying around, or from a buddy if they give you one if you're getting into a hobby, and then a dongle you can have pretty quick. And then the software, of course. I have not looked into downloading the software, buying it software only. Obviously there's going to be options, but if you're wanting to get into this hobby, that's what you'd be looking for. So Great Plains is a very popular one. The Phoenix RC is a popular one. Those are probably the 2 most popular ones. There's one called Picasim, Picasim. I believe it's free, has a unlock paid version. And there's a few other free ones, but the point is, do some research, do your homework, ask around which sim might be best for you. Start with a free one and then go from there. But that's where you start when you want to fly RC helicopters. Now you see all the stuff I have set up here. This video is only talking about simulators because that's where you start. In the next video, I'm going to talk about your first helicopter, what mine was, and how you get into the actual hobby of getting all that stuff and getting started. Anyway, stay tuned for the next.